Today we talk about how to test a subwoofer with a multimeter. The first step is to disconnect the subwoofer from its power source. Simply remove the subwoofer from the car battery. Now, you can securely remove the subwoofer from the car once it has been unplugged from the power source. However, depending on the subwoofer's design, you might need to remove more parts. When you remove the subwoofer, it should look like this. After removing it from its enclosure, the multimeter probes need to be inserted into the wire coil input terminal of the subwoofer cone. It should look like this. Then set the multimeter to the smallest resistance reading. If you get a result between 1 and 4 ohms, it means that the subwoofer is working. The process is the same on larger subwoofers. I hope you have successfully learned how to test a subwoofer with a multimeter. If this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel. See you.